You're hungry? Good, you come inside. Another. Yes. Don't worry, I'll give you. Yes. You are abandoned, Mimi. Oh my God. I saw this cat outside my gate. Then I gave food and she came inside. She's a black Sirasi cat. Okay, you will be there, huh? I'll give you water, okay? I know. Oh, poor you. Who abandoned you? Just stay here overnight, huh? I'll give you to Baladia.